Welcome to VPN Review Hub. I'm Aldrin. VPNs. Its popularity has been continuously increasing the past decade, coinciding with the rise of smartphones. With popularity, of course, comes competition in that field or that market. As with any product, there will be a variety of that same product, and sometimes can be a bit daunting to choose from the multitude of options available. Today, we're going to take a look at 3 of the more well-known VPNs currently on the market: NordVPN, Surfshark, and Proton VPN. We're going to see what's the differences between the 3 different VPNs, and then we're going to compare their prices as well as each of their specific features and find out which is the best one that's suited for you. With that out of the way, let's get started. First up is NordVPN. NordVPN is probably one of the most reviewed or talked about VPNs out there on the market, especially by some of the biggest names on YouTube. It's a Panama-based VPN, giving it quite a bit of security due to Panama's uncensored internet and zero government surveillance. Being in Panama, NordVPN also boasts that they do not store connection timestamps, use bandwidth, traffic logs, and IP addresses. With that many things on the list of security, just with the base of information, you can definitely tell that NordVPN is quite secure. Being a highly secure and a well-known brand, of course, has its own caveats. One example is the pricing. NordVPN is one of the 2 that sits at the top of the food chain of the VPN market currently. With such a high regard also comes a higher price tag. NordVPN's price plans are varied depending on how long you'll be using their service. For their short-term plan of 1 month, NordVPN is priced at $11.95. Their long-term plans include a 1-year plan for $6.99 per month, a 2-year plan for $3.99 per month, and a 3-year plan for $2.99 per month. Of course, all of these plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee in case you do change your mind. Some of their features also include military-grade encryption, which is kind of standard for most VPNs or all VPNs. They also have CyberSec, double VPN, and they have a strictly no-logs policy, an automatic kill switch, which is actually pretty nice, something that you would want, a DNS leak protection, and an onion over VPN, which basically means that you have an extra layer of protection or anonymity throughout the process while you're using their service. Also, another thing, they are located in various different servers in over 60 countries around the world, and they are also available on multiple devices as well. They are available both on Mac and on PC or Windows, as well as Linux as well, so that's kind of great to have. They're available also on mobile devices for both iOS and Android. You can also get this as a browser extension on both Google Chrome and Firefox as well. Another thing, of course, is that they have a 24/7 online chat support or live chat support. So if you need any help, they can get to you right away, which is kind of great, especially if you're having trouble with something on their service. This will be very helpful. Next on the list is Surfshark. Much like the previous VPN, Surfshark is also a pretty established VPN. Similarly to NordVPN, Surfshark is based in a location that has a very secure network and away from any snooping governments. And that location is in the British Virgin Islands. Surfshark's main goal for their users is for their users, or those users, to have a private access to the open internet. An open internet because in certain countries there are restrictions to what you can see and or how much you can see of it. Of course, that goes for all VPNs as well, but Surfshark plasters this information blatantly on their webpage. One thing that does differentiate Surfshark from other VPNs is that they provide their users protection across an unlimited amount of devices. so you can get a VPN for your whole family. Having that much protection for so many devices does come at a cost, of course. Surfshark has a short-term plan of $11.95 per month for 1 month, and a long-term plan that's 1 year for $5.99 per month, and their 2-year plan for $1.99 per month. All of these plans too have a 30-day money-back guarantee in case you do decide that you end up not liking their service, somehow anyway, or just no longer need it. Some of their other features actually include a clean web, which is basically an ad block, also gets rid of trackers and malware as well as phishing attempts, which is kind of nice because those are very big problems while surfing the internet. They are, again, like I mentioned, they are available on unlimited different devices, so you can use this for your whole family. They are also available for different devices, so including Mac and Windows. They also are available on Linux as well, and they are also available on some mobile devices, namely iOS and Android. You can also add this to your Firefox and Google Chrome as an extension. Funny enough, this is also available for Fire TV. So if you do use that and you want to have a safe, I guess, experience using that service, then you can use this. You can use Surfshark for that service as well. They have something called a whitelister, which basically allows you to bypass certain apps or websites, so you can actually go to that website. For example, torrents. You can allow torrents to go through through Surfshark, so you can download whatever you need to download through that specific app or specific website. Other basic features they have are, of course, there is no log policy. They have a kill switch as well as a private DNS and leak protection. They have something called a camouflage mode as well. They also have something that's really nice, which is multi-hop, which allows you to connect to a server via another server. So you have multiple layers of protection. They have something called no borders mode, which allows you to successfully use Surfshark in a restrictive region, maybe if you're in China or something like that. They have your typical 256 GCM encryption, and they also have IKEv2 protocol as well. So basic online or basic VPN features that you have, or that they have, rather. Last but not the least is Proton VPN. One thing that sticks out about Proton VPN is the cool user interface that they have on their app. You can see the location of their servers in a very sci-fi-esque themed user interface. The cool aesthetic isn't the only thing that's very interesting, though. Proton VPN is based in Switzerland, which is home to one of the strongest privacy laws on the planet. They have a feature called Secure Core, which is an internal VPN architecture that defends against network-based attacks. This so-called Secure Core basically plays the shell game with your IP address, using their 3 strongest servers located in Switzerland, in Iceland, and in Sweden to mask your IP address. Proton VPN offers a basic plan for $4 per month that gives you access to all of their servers and protects up to 2 devices and allows P2P connections. They also have a premium plan, which is $8 per month. It basically has the same features with the addition of protecting up to 5 devices, access to their Secure Core feature, their TOR servers, and secure streaming servers as well. Similarly, their most expensive plan, their Visionary plan for $24 per month, offers everything on the premium plan, but also protects up to 10 devices instead of just 5. They also include their proprietary Proton Mail Visionary product as well for this plan. Another cool thing about their service is that they actually have an unlimited free version for their service as well. So you can surf the web as much as you like, being protected by their service. Sadly though, you can only protect one of your devices with their free version, and you can only choose from 3 of their server locations. The limitations might turn some people off, but it's still a great deal given the security of their product. Besides their secure core feature, they also have your standard AES 256-bit encryption and their IKAV2 protocol, so you know that their security is pretty up to date. They also have no logs policy, as with many VPNs. They have a DNS leak prevention as well as a kill switch and an always-on VPN feature. They're also compatible with TOR servers, so you can stay anonymous throughout their service. So that's pretty nice. They're also pretty well known to be pretty fast. It does depend on your internet as well as your location. So this claim does depend on where you are. Similarly, all of these VPNs also unblock Netflix and other streaming services. So if you want to binge and chill, you can definitely do that with any of these 3 products. All 3 VPNs have highly secure networks as well and offer great features. It just depends on which feature you're most attracted to, whether it's the name brand of NordVPN, the unlimited protection from Surfshark, or maybe just wanting to protect one device for free with Proton VPN. No matter which one you choose though, you will definitely get a lot of value out of it. Well, that's all we have for today, guys. Hopefully this video was of some help. Thanks for watching VPN Review Hub. I've been Aldrin, and see you guys next time.